Hi everyone, and welcome to Engineering Career Services YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about Glassdoor, a website that contains reviews, salary information, and interview questions from different companies. Let's start out on Glassdoor's homepage. You can see at the top that there are 4 tabs: Jobs, Companies, Salaries, and Careers. We'll briefly go through each of these. On the homepage, there are also recommendations for different jobs, salaries, and companies that you can possibly follow, and plenty more. From here, we can go to the Jobs tab. On your Jobs tab, you will see the options Recent Activity, Job Alerts, Saved, and Applications. And a lot of these are a little bit more applicable once you find a job and want to apply for it. So say I do an overall search for mechanical engineering, and I want to look in Tuxant River, Maryland. So I search this up, I wait for job results to come up, and say I really want to work for GCC Technologies, and I'll go ahead and pull that job up. So once you pull the job up, it ends up looking very similar to that of LinkedIn or Indeed. However, Glassdoor includes a little bit more information. Under Glassdoor, you've got information about average salary, company reviews and characteristics of the company, company ratings, reviews from actual employees, and also information on the benefits. The Apply button seen right here will take you back to the company's website, and the Save button will save the application back onto the Jobs tab. Let's move on to the Companies tab. This is probably one of the most helpful and unique features on Glassdoor. So on the company's main page, I have some things like companies recommended for me, reviews of different companies, best places to work, etc., etc. And so one important feature of this page that's a little bit closer to the bottom is the Compare Companies feature. And from here, you can select 2 companies, say University of Maryland and Lockheed Martin, or like Apple and Facebook, and you can compare their ratings in a multitude of areas, such as their salaries and what employees say about the company. So this is a really great resource for comparing companies, but if we want to look up characteristics of a specific company, you can come up to the top search bar and search it here. So let's say I want to learn about NASA. So I will click on NASA, the company. And once I click on that company, I can see a lot of information that pops up, like reviews, jobs that are currently available, salaries, interviews, benefits, and photos. So the salary tab will allow you to look up a position and you can find the pay details. So say that I'm an aerospace engineering student and I really want to find out how much an aerospace engineer is going to get paid at NASA. I can click on aerospace engineering and I can see that on average, an aerospace engineer at NASA gets paid about $103,000 per year. This is really helpful for students because if you're negotiating with a company and trying to see what salary range you should aim for, this is just a great resource. So now I can also select the Interview tab, which is another great feature from Glassdoor, and it allows you to see individual internship experiences based on position. So say I am interviewing for the NASA Pathways position, so I'll just go ahead, type in Pathways or Pathways intern. And after searching that, I can select Pathways here and look at all of these different interview experiences. So you can see how the interview process works for NASA Pathways, and you can see the different interview questions that have been asked in the past. And this is an absolutely phenomenal way to prep for interviews. Now, you can also access similar information by going to Salaries and Careers at the tabs above and manually searching a company, but it's really easy to get everything in the same place if you just go to this top search bar up here and search whatever company you'd like to look for. Overall, Glassdoor is a great website for looking at company reviews, comparing and researching salaries, and practicing interview questions. If you have any further questions about this video or how to use Glassdoor, feel free to email careerengineer@umd.edu. Thanks for watching.